Steve here on a job site today, and I want to talk to you a little bit about fascia. Sometimes we recommend wrapping the fascia with aluminum. Other times we recommend just replacing the fascia. So I'm going to flip this camera around and show you kind of what we're talking about and what determines that. So here we go. We've got a piece of fascia, and you can see it's in good shape. It's a solid board. It's ugly. Going to need to be a different color to match the trim. In this case, I would recommend wrapping that with aluminum. There's going to be a gutter that's going to cover most of it, and you're not really going to see much of it. You just want it to look clean. You want it to be maintenance free. Wrapping that with aluminum will get the job done. Now, another issue is as we go up the rig here, you see when you go up a peak, a lot of times you'll have this 1x2 piece over the existing fascia and then the roof metal over that. So if you were going to actually replace this, you would have to remove this, which is next to impossible sometimes if they've nailed down through the metal. And they've got this so tight you can't even tell. But I look over here, I can see, okay, it does look like they're nailing down through the metal, which means there's a nail that goes through the metal and into this board. So it's going to be next to impossible to get that off without messing up the roof and that metal edging. So again, I would recommend taking our aluminum that matches the color of the trim, and we'll wrap it up and stick it up under here, fasten it here. It'll look beautiful. I will show you what this looks like when the job is done. New fascia wrap installed. This is the finished product. So you can see, much nicer, super clean. You get siding and gutter up there. Looks brand new.